got an exciting announcement for everybody today. I've got here in my hands a brand new paper published in the Journal of Natural Products by USANA scientists in collaboration with some scientists from Europe. Randomized, double-blind crossover human study, which is one of the cream of the crop for doing a clinical study, and that's why it ended up in such a high-end American Chemical Society journal. We are looking at the absorption of an important ingredient called curcumin that's in our Precosa product and a couple of other products that we sell. It's a turmeric extract. Turmeric is a root that's grown in India. It's used in cooking as a spice. It's that yellow pigment, and the active ingredient is called a curcuminoid. More recently, the curcuminoid extracts have been used in nutritional supplements. The biggest problem all this time has been the very poor oral bioavailability of curcuminoids. If they don't get into your body, they can't do anything.
The implications of the study, I think, are far-reaching, and it's another testament to USANA science and how we're at the forefront of nutritional research, and I think you might be seeing some of the implications from this study ahead. So like Dr. Cuomo mentioned, this was a double-blind, crossover randomized study design, which is really the gold standard when you're doing a clinical study. And what that really means is we had 9 volunteers in the study, and over the course of the study, each volunteer was given the 3 formulations of the curcuminoid extract. And so really each person is serving as their own control, so we can compare directly in each person which formulation is the best.
And normally turmeric is extracted and you get a fine powder extract that contains the curcuminoids, and we compared that straight extract that everybody's been using for the last 20 or 25 years in supplements with a brand new patented formulation which Indina, a high-end pharmaceutical and nutraceutical manufacturer from Europe, has recently patented, in which they take that extract, that powder, and put it inside what's called a phytosome, which is basically the way we absorb fat. So phytosome is made with phospholipids, in which the outside of the ball, the phytosome ball, is very polar and fits into an aqueous environment, water, which is in your digestive system, and the inside is more fat soluble and contains things like the curcuminoids. So we basically packed this ball of fat with turmeric extract. 2 very nice functions of this. Number one, normally when you eat turmeric or these curcuminoids and they get into your stomach, the acid in your stomach just tears it apart. So not much of it survives transit through the stomach and can't be absorbed if it's not there anymore. Second is that curcuminoids are not really water soluble, so they don't really fit in your digestive system. They're not fats, so they don't get absorbed through the normal fat absorption mechanism. And what we've done here is kind of trick the body into believing that these are fats, and they get, not only do they survive transit through the stomach, but once they're in the intestines and the guts, they're absorbed very readily. So it's kind of a perfect storm for a nutritional supplement.
Yeah, so then we took that formulation, and what we can do is pull blood at different time points after we've administered the different formulations of the curcuminoids, and then using one of the $250,000 machines we have upstairs, we can analyze and measure exactly how much has ended up in the bloodstream after the administration.
And the bottom line from that is we're seeing about a 30-fold increase in absorption from this new phytosome formulation over the traditional powdered extract. And that's incredible. That's something you almost never see in any kind of formulation. So we're extremely excited.
Extremely excited. This is a big deal. Be sure to talk about USANA science, and how we're at the forefront when you're out talking about USANA and its products.